Alright, so these are the TOPSKY Prime 1S. There's really nothing good coming out of these guys. These are pretty much a load of crap. The little glass part fell off within 30 seconds of unboxing. These things are just awful. The foam here. The foam here on the goggle is falling apart, and it is absolutely of the worst quality possible. It comes with another piece to put on there, but I mean, it's just. Then you've got. Mine says no DVR. Right now it doesn't. It has this weird please wait screen. It's been there for like 40 minutes. It won't go away. It's just a piece of crap. I'm going to turn them off. Turn it back on. I just tried to record DVR with this, and it doesn't record DVR. So basically, it's just, so there it is right there. If you look inside, I can't really get it to. Anyways, it says no DVR, and there's a freaking SD card right there. I mean, the way the SD comes out is just so crappy. I mean, you can't even get the SD card out. I mean, it's just not. You have to like push it in and like let it bounce back a little bit. I don't know. I think I just did it luckily. I just barely even. But yeah, it says no SD card, which is a load of crap because I have an SD card in there. Oh, here we go. Well, when I plug it in, now it says no DVR. It just says no DVR. It's just really bad, guys. Don't know what to say. There's nothing. These are just all for the screen. There's nothing that has anything to do with the DVR section. And so, yeah, these are awful. I thought they were going to be cool and just somewhat usable, but they're not. They're not, guys. So I'm going to have to somehow, even if I get $50 back, if I have to pay $25 to mail these back, whatever, I'll do it, because I don't want these pieces of crap. I thought I was going to just hang on to them and be like, oh, they're just going to be good viewer goggles. They're not. They're really not. They're just really, really bad for your eyes, honestly. They're probably going to give you cancer. These things probably have cancer in them since they're so shittily built. They fucking come with components that probably are just terrible. And, yeah. Don't recommend them at all, guys. Stay away. Gear Best, this is my video for you guys to take these away from me, please.